Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off lock screen notification for apps on your Android phone. So you can easily turn off lock screen notification. And the best way to do this is to find the apps, right? So you want to go ahead and open up settings on your phone, scroll down and find notifications. Once you find notifications, you will find app notifications. You can click on that. And here you will be able to find all your apps. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just choose a random app. So let's choose, for example, the calendar. If I don't want to have lock screen notification for it, I can click on that app. And here you'll be able to see the different notifications and setup here. So here you can see it shows lock screen and I can just simple or tap on that and you can see that it's now disabled. And so that's going to ensure that I not receive any lock screen notification. And that's pretty much all that you have to do. You want to go ahead and find the apps that you have notification turned on, and you can click on them and you can turn off the lock screen notification for those apps. And that's how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.